Good morning, dear students. Let us see a few important plants today. Here on the screen, you can identify this drug easily, which is familiar to us, is Rajika, Rajika. It is also known as Sarsapa, Sarsapa. Mustard seed is used in Ayurveda for external application and oral use. In treating worm infestation, pruritus, psychiatric disorders, low digestion strength, and many more. Mustard is a well known culinary substance appreciated due to its specific odor and carminative effect. This is a compulsory item in almost all sambar powder, masala powder, pickle, and even while seasoning of the dishes and side dishes. The botanical name of mustard, according to their types, are white mustard and yellow mustard are called Schinapis alba. Black mustard is called Brassica nigra. Sarsapa, which is Indian mustard, is known as Brassica jansea botanically. It belongs to family Cruciferaceae as well as Brassicaceae. Regarding habit of the drug, Sarsapa or Rajika, it is a upright plant with large stalked leaves. They are covered with hairs or bristles at the base, but on the stem it is smoother. It can reach up to 80 to 90 centimeter or 31 to 35 inches tall, or even up to 2.4 meter or 8 feet in moist and fertile soil. It blooms in summer from May onwards. The flowers have 4 yellow petals, which are twice as long as their sepals. Its stem has around 4 flowers at the top, forming a ring around the stem. Later, the plant forms long seed pods that contain 4 rounded seeds. Produced of Rajika are seed and seed oil. Now, regarding indication of Rajika or Sarsapa, it is indicated in leukoderma, cracked skin, fever, leprosy, wasting of muscles, insanity, epilepsy, swelling, rheumatoid arthritis, neurological disorders, gynecological disorders, ear ache, wounds, acne vulgaris, fungal infection or candidiasis in oral cavity, vomiting, insanity, flatulence, pallor, jaundice and rhinitis, splenomegaly, as well as cardiac disorders. Now on the screen, you can see a well-known plant called Rohitaka, Rohitaka. Rohitaka, which is Tecomella undulata, is an Ayurvedic herb used for the treatment of diabetes, jaundice, piles, intestinal worms, leukorrhea, and indigestion. Its botanical name is Tecoma undulata or Tecomella undulata. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae. Habit of the drug Rohitaka is a medium-sized tree growing in the Himalayan belt and plains of North and West India to a height of 6 to 10 meters. The leaves of the tree resemble to that of pomegranate leaves. The flowers are yellow or bright orange in color, are seen in the month of April and May. The tree produces quality timber. Produced of the drug Rohitaka is bark, and Rohitaka is indicated in pliha. Diseases of spleen, especially splenomegaly, udara ascites, enlargement of the abdomen, Yकृt roga, liver disorders, gulma, tumors of the abdomen, mamsa meda, diseases of muscles and fatty tissues, bhuta, psychiatric disorders, or it is also equated with antimicrobial, anaha, bloating or fullness of the abdomen, bibandha, constipation, asra, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia and nasal bleeding, etc. Sula, abdominal colic, ruja is pain, krimi, worm infestation, brana, ulcers and wounds, netra roga is eye disorders. Now on the screen, you can see and identify this drug as Putran Jivaka, Putranjivaka, Putran Jivaka. Putran Jivaka, Putran Jivaraksbargi is an Ayurvedic herb used for the treatment of eye disorders, burning sensation, elephantiasis, difficulty in micturition, azoospermia, and habitual abortions. The name Putran Jivaka denotes which promotes or gives life to progeny, which promotes fertility both in men as well as women. Its Latin name is Putranjiva Raxbargi and it belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Regarding its habit, is a moderate-sized evergreen tree growing to a height up to 12 meters with pendant branches and a dark gray bark having horizontal lenticels. The leaves are simple, alternate, deciduous, stiple, triangular, acute, caudaceous. Petiole is 0.4 to 1 centimeter long, nearly glabrous, plano-convex in cross-section. The flowers are unisexual, male flowers are axillary clusters and yellow in color. Part used of Putranjivaka are seed and leaf. Regarding its indication, Ayurvedic classics have highlighted the importance of Putranjivaka as the one which helps in progenation. The powder of the seed is given in a dose of 1 to 3 grams with milk to improve the sperm count in males and help in maintain the fetus in pregnant women. The paste of the leaf is applied over the area affected with burning sensation. Fresh juice of Putranjivaka is given in a dose of 10 to 15 ml to treat elephantiasis and the paste of the leaf is applied over the affected leg. Cold infusion prepared from the leaves of Putranjiva Raxbargi is given in a dose of 20 to 30 ml to treat difficulty in micturition. The seed of Putranjivaka is made into paste and applied as collyrium to treat eye diseases. Now on the screen you can see a drug called Putiha, Putiha. Putiha or Pudina Mentha piperita is a plant which is used for the treatment of indigestion, pain in joints, diarrhea, cough, dysmenorrhea, and fever. Its Latin name is Mentha piperita and it is also known by the name Mentha spicata. It belongs to the family Labiatae. And regarding the morphology or habit of the drug, Mentha piperita is a perennial herb growing in the hilly regions or in cold climatic regions of India. The plant has a strong odor and grows to a height of 1 to 2 feet. The leaves are slimy, dark, and have a strong odor. The flowers are purple in color. Mentha spicata is also used as a synonym of Mentha piperita. Part used are leaf and oil extract. The indications of Mentha piperita include the leaves of Mentha piperita is used as carminative and helps in digestion of the food. 1 to 3 drops of oil obtained after processing of the plant is used with hot water to treat indigestion and relieve colicky pain of the abdomen. The paste of the leaf of Mentha piperita is applied over the joints to relieve pain and localized inflammation. Cold infusion of the plant in a dose of 30 to 40 ml is used to relieve dysmenorrhea and fever. The fresh juice of the leaf of Pudina in a dose of 5 to 10 ml is given with honey to relieve cough and sore throat. Now on the screen, a well-known drug and familiar to all of us is Puga, Puga. Betel nut, Areca catechu, is an Ayurveda herb mentioned for the treatment of mouth ulcers, licoria, dental plaque, joint pain, diarrhea, intestinal worms, and excessive urination. Its Latin name is Areca catechu and it belongs to family Palmae as well as Aracaceae, the newer name. Areca tree is found and cultivated for its commercial value in southern states of Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and in northeastern states of Assam. The tree grows to a height of 10 to 12 meters and has a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters. It is tall, slender, and unbranched, surmounted by a crown of pinnate leaves. The leaves are 4 to 6 feet long, fan-type feather-like drooping leaves, often confluent and glabrous. Leaflets are numerous and 30 to 60 centimeter long. The female flowers are solitary or in groups or 2 or 3 at or near the base of each ramification of spadix sessile. Much larger than male. The fruits are 3.8 to 5 centimeter long, smooth, ovoid or oblong, green in unripe stage, and nuts orange or reddish color in refined and mature stage. Inside the fruit, it is a single seed. Part is this fruit. It is indicated in Vacta Vairasya, means bed breath, foul smell. Mala Durgantia, foul smelling faces. Now on the screen, you can see this is Chironji or Priyala, Priyala, which is Buchnania langen. Chiroli or Chironji or Charoli is called Priyala in Ayurveda. It is used as a cooking spice. It is an aphrodisiac, nourishing, cardiac tonic, but it may cause indigestion in overdose. Its botanical name is Buchnania latifolia. Also, it is known by the name Buchnania langen. It belongs to family Anacardiaceae. Regarding habit of the drug, Priyala, it is a medium-sized tree, about 15 to 18 meters in height, with dark gray or nearly black rough fissured bark, and young branches are clothed with silky hairs. Leaves are simple, broadly oblong, obtuse, base is rounded, thickly coriaceous, main nerves 10 to 20 pair, straight and parallel, flowers are small. Now, part used of the drug, it is stem bark, chironji nuts, seed kernel are the useful parts for medicinal preparations in Ayurveda. Now, regarding indication of the drug Priyala, it is indicated in Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Jwara or fever, Trishna, excessive thirst, Brahmana, nourishing and nutritious, Brishya, it is an aphrodisiac, improves vigor, Valya is improved strength and immunity. Here on the screen, beautiful drug. It is called Priyangu, Priyangu, Priyangu. Priyangu, Chelicarpa macrophylla, is an Ayurveda coolant herb used for the treatment of headache, diarrhea mixed with blood, as in ulcerative colitis, general debility, fever, pain in the joints, skin diseases, etc. Its Latin name is Chelicarpa macrophylla and it belongs to family Barbinaceae. Regarding the habit of the drug, Priyangu is a perennial shrub growing up to 2 meter height, found in northeastern parts of India and at 3000 feet in the Himalayan region. Branches have hairy like cotton structure. The leaves are 18 to 30 centimeter long, ovate as lanceolate, smooth from upper surface and hairy from the ventral surface. The flowers are small, pink, appears in inflorescence. Some are purple or pinkish purple in color. The fruits are fleshy, white, divided into 4 compartments, each having single seed. Ripe fruits look spongy. Regarding parties of the drug Priyangu, the flower, bark and root are being used, and it is indicated in Durgantia, bed odor, sweda, excess sweating, Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy and burning sensation of eyes, Jwara, fever, Gulma, tumors of the abdomen, Trishna, excessive thirst, Visha, toxic conditions and poisoning, etc. Moha is delusion, Vanti is vomiting, and Vranti is dizziness. So, thank you, dear students. Thank you for your attention.